Clinical officers in the country have urged the government to ban all political and non-essential gatherings to tame the surging numbers of COVID-19 infections. Through the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers, the medics claimed political rallies have turned death traps to many Kenyans, as those attending such events flout all coronavirus containment measures.
The union expressed discontent in the manner in which the government was handling the surging numbers by allowing political gatherings. KUCO General Secretary Gibore George said the nation had abandoned the COVID-19 containment measures, accusing the politicians for leading Kenyans to their graves without mercy.
The general public is advised to take containment measure communicated by the Minister of Health seriously as an individual, not as a populous issue. To avoid political and non-essential gathering, because this might cost your life.
The influential people who are supposed to be models to the entire public are treating these measures, then we are going to have a surge in the cases in the community.
The union claimed currently the health workers are bearing the brunt as the cases have increased steadily and the country's health system is stretched beyond its capacity.
Tell the government that they really need to move with speed, because we are likely going to be run by this pandemic. The way things are, the structure, the human resource, we have a big challenge.
As we talk now, some of the facilities like MTRH are actually full. In the coming weeks,
the medics also want every county to have adequate and fully equipped designated isolation facilities for healthcare workers to protect them and their families from the deadly virus.
If they don't move with speed, first, we are likely going to lose the frontline healthcare workers. Some now are infected and a majority in quarantine.
The Kenya Clinical Officers Association Secretary General Joseph Chebi raised concerns of healthcare workers being forced to work despite testing positive for the virus, saying it was undermining the war against the pandemic.
And there is an obvious surge that we really have to take care of ourselves. In this, we really encourage you that if you are not on proper PPEs, kindly avoid attending patients, because that one is a risk of infection.
They warned that in the coming weeks, hospitals will be unable to admit new patients, saying the numbers have reached a ceiling high.